How's it going, everybody? In this video, we'll be going over the trade I took here on ES. It acquainted about 200 points at the end of the move. It was absolutely a beautiful trade, and I had the best entry possible. So let's get straight into it. So this is ES right here, and the trade that I took was around, I think, 10:45, right before this dump right here, and my entry was right off this 5-minute change in the steady delivery level. I took it off this market order, kept my stop loss above here, or I think it was even tighter than that, and targeted these London lows. And so pretty much the idea for today was very simple. We had this unmitigated 1 hour for rally gap before 11 a.m. and we left a failure swing to it, right? So I already saw this 1 hour gap as a draw on liquidity after sweeping out the previous 4 hour candles high and tapping into this area of this fair rally gap here on the right here, as well as having an SMT with NQ. And so pretty much just marking out that unmitigated 1 hour gap, that was pretty much my draw on liquidity, as well as my extended take profit, which was being this London lows, because we barely had any manipulation on the daily candle. And I did see on the higher time frame that we left that monthly low on NQ. So if you take a look at NQ here, we left this monthly ERL here on NQ, which I wanted price to go tap into, right? That's the previous monthly low, as you guys can clearly see. That's it right here. And so now pretty much going back to ES here, seeing that confirmation off that 5-minute change in the steady delivery, we had this internal structure you guys can clearly see here, right? We swept out this high right over here, and we got a significant expansion lower. We also had this 1-minute change in the steady delivery as well as that 5-minute, and we had equal relative lows resting here, and such LRLR just overnight. So the shorts were always on my mind. We also left this failure swing to this gap. The initial plan was to, accumulate, manipulate into this gap, then continue higher possibly, but then we didn't see that. We left a failure swing to that 1 hour gap, which left it unmitigated. So after I saw the strong confirmation, I waited for that 5-minute change in the steady delivery for that extra confirmation. And actually, I think my stop loss was even tighter here. And I mean, this hate take profit so quickly. What an absolute crazy day. It's nothing really too special. We are trading the AMD model. This ran for about, let's see, 230 points, which is about 4% almost, which is honestly crazy, right? That dump was always those monthly lows. That previous month low was always, something I was looking for on NQ, and we finally got it today. And yeah, I mean, the AMD model played out perfectly here as well, where, we accumulated here, then we got that manipulation, sweeping out that previous 4 hour candles high, and then we target the opposing side, which played out absolutely beautifully. So I also wanted to see if we'd get a reaction off this 1 hourly gap, which we don't, right? We were very, very bearish here, and we just distributed to London lows. So that was pretty much the trade for today. It went absolutely perfect. I'm up about, I think, 6R on the week now, so it's absolutely amazing, and I'll see you guys next.